Long before the glow of a smartphone screen, knowledge lived in heavy, bound volumes that smelled of paper and history. Welcome to a nostalgic journey. I'm Victoria, and today we are revisiting the physical internet of the pre-digital age, the printed encyclopedia. Imagine needing an entire wall of books just to search for a single piece of information. This was our gateway to the world. In the 1980s, the living room was the hub of learning. Families would gather not around a TV, but around a large open volume. There was a tactile reverence in flipping through these thick, cream-colored pages, feeling the weight of human knowledge in your hands. For students, it was the ultimate resource. Hours were spent under the warm light of a desk lamp, carefully transcribing facts for school reports. Navigating this alphabetical labyrinth required patience. You followed the letters on the spines, tracing the path from A to Z. Before Google, cross-referencing meant jumping from Volume 4 to Volume 12. It was a painstaking but rewarding treasure hunt. The interiors were masterpieces of detail. Hand-drawn anatomy, vibrant space nebulas, and intricate maps brought the distant world into our homes. Brands like Britannica and World Book weren't just books. They were status symbols. Owning a set signaled a commitment to education and success. They were a luxury. Door-to-door salesmen would visit, and parents would often pay in monthly installments to invest in their children's future. But as the 90s progressed, a change was coming. The physical world of paper began to yield to a new, digital light. With the arrival of CD-ROMs and the early web, the vast shelves of information were condensed into a single silver disc. The once mighty volumes grew quiet. One by one, they were moved to the basement or left to gather dust on a shelf. Yet, they haven't disappeared entirely. Today, collectors see them as art, a tactile connection to a slower, more deliberate era of learning. While information is now instant and infinite, we must never forget the beauty of the paper trail that led us here. From paper to pixels, the quest for knowledge continues. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the past.